Well friends, here is a problem number 68 and we have to find the missing part, and this is the given figure. Okay, followed by this they have given 4 options and we have to select one of the correct. So if you observe carefully, the given figure contains rectangles, the outer rectangle and one inner rectangle. Okay, so we need to complete this rectangle. To complete this rectangle, we need line like this. Okay, the line like this is needed. Now if you see the options, first option is not having this line, okay, which should be present for completing the rectangle. So first option is wrong option. Now moving to second option. Second option is having both the lines, that is like this. That may be my correct option. Now moving to third option. Third option is not having that. So third option is the wrong one. Now moving to fourth option. Fourth option is, yes, fourth option is having that line. So fourth option may be my correct option. If you observe second and fourth option, you are going to get the idea which says you that the second option has got one extra line here. I think you can observe carefully. The extra line is present here. Okay, this extra line is not needed in the figure. Therefore, option 2 is also wrong option. We left with fourth option and that has to be the right. Just take fourth option as the right option and we will move to next problem.